Hey guys, it's Patricia D and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be creating a pedestal bowl. This bowl is literally super popular in the home decor community. I created a marble concept of this bowl and I am super excited on how it came out. It came out actually better than I imagined, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I achieved it. Hey guys, we're gonna do this extremely quick because it's cold outside. Oh my god. All right, first of all, we're going to be spray painting. Extremely excited. All right, we're gonna be spray painting our bowl, and this color here is flat white. So cute. So we're gonna go ahead and spray paint it. First of all, guys, it is freezing out here, so we're gonna do this fast. Let's go ahead and spray paint. After spray painting my bowl, you're gonna need some water inside of a container. Doesn't matter what temperature it is. So this is where the magic happens, guys. I'm gonna use the colors black, white, and gold. And you're gonna spray inside the container of water. This is how we're going to create the marble effect. Now, when you're dipping your bowl inside of the water, you want to move as quickly as possible. I kind of played around a little bit slow with it, so my lines ended up looking a bit more sharp. I would suggest, guys, when you gotta be ready, dip and twist, dip a twist, dip a twist. While you're doing that, you want to continue this process until you get the desired look you're looking for. So you just want to keep twisting and dipping. This project was so much fun. I enjoyed it so much, and follow me on TikTok. That's where I do the most fun with DIYs. So if you guys aren't following me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.